Qigong is a gentle practice rooted in traditional Chinese medicine that has been practiced for centuries. While its well-known benefits include improved physical health, mental clarity, and stress and anxiety reduction, here are 3 uncommon benefits you may experience. Hi, I'm Jeff Chen, acupuncturist, practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine, and Qigong instructor. The first uncommon benefit of Qigong practice is enhanced interoception and mind-body connection. Interoception refers to the ability to perceive internal bodily sensations. Many of us are very detached and unaware of our body, our mind, and our emotions. Qigong practice involves deep awareness of subtle movements, alignments, energy flows, and qi sensations within the body. Over time, this enhanced awareness can lead to a stronger mind-body connection, allowing you to sense your body's needs, imbalances, and wants with greater clarity. This can be particularly valuable for addressing health issues, as it helps us to hear our natural instincts. The second uncommon benefit is emotional balance and resilience. Qigong's focus on cultivating energy and awareness within the body can lead to an improved emotional regulation and resilience. As you become more attuned to your internal energy flows, you may find it easier to identify and release emotional blockages or tension. This can result in a greater sense of emotional balance, reduced reactivity to stressors, and in an increased ability to navigate challenging emotions with a sense of calm and peacefulness. The third uncommon benefit of Qigong practice is neuroplasticity and brain health. One of the most interesting discoveries of modern science is neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to reorganize and form new neural connections. Qigong practice involves gentle movements, deep breathing, mental focus, and intention, all of which can help stimulate neuroplasticity. Regular practice may promote cognitive flexibility, improved short and long-term memory, and an overall boost in brain health. Some studies suggest that Qigong practice could potentially contribute to the prevention of age-related cognitive decline and neurological disorders. So these are just 3 of the many benefits of Qigong practice. What are some uncommon benefits that you can think of? Let me know in the comment section below. If you're interested in exploring and practicing Qigong, come join the Communi-Qi for a wide variety of practices. I'd love to see you there. Thanks for watching.